So we finished the first look, and that was the casual look. Now we're going to the second look, and this will be like more like chic, elegant.
Yes.
So let's see what Michele comes out with.
So definitely I'm gonna remove the pink lipstick. We're gonna go red lipstick because I think red is always an elegant, classic color. For eyes, I want to use black eyeliner, and I want to use more bronzy colors, but I'm gonna go a little bit wild on the eyes this time. And the bronze color, I want to do a cat effect on the eyes.
Oh, I love that. That's my favorite look.
Yeah, so I definitely want to do that and go different, because as on the other video, it was casual look. So it's a very simple makeup that you do it for every day, but now it's going to be a little bit more bold and how can I say, it's not edgy, because edgy is going to be the last look, but definitely this is a different look, and it could be a catwalk look, since Leonardo, she's a fashion stylist, so definitely would be something that she could wear on the red carpet. We finished the second look. She still needs to change her outfit, but I'm going to talk a little bit about this look that I did. As I told you, I wanted to do this cat eye effect on the eyes. I'm going to try to show you close, and then I'm just going to say a few products that I've used just to highlight them. So you can see the eyes, the red lipstick, it makes such a difference, of course. Alright, so you've seen the eyes closely. I've used the most recent launch of Huda Beauty, the Rose Gold palette. This palette is amazing. It's very pigmented, as you can see it on her eyes. Just to talk about the eyeshadows I've used, I'm gonna get closer and I'm gonna show you. I've used a 24 karat gold on her eyelids, and then I went and I've used Blessed on the outer corner of her eyes, Henna and Cocoa and Blessed, so the three of them together outside of her eyes, and the gold on her eyelid. I'm going to do a close-up again so you can see. I'm sorry if I didn't show if we're not showing the makeup precisely as we are doing, because this is a video more about the style. I'm already happy that, of course, I can explain the makeup that I'm doing, but in the future, if you want, we can do a specific, just leave your comments if you want a video with more detail about the makeup. Okay, I'm gonna ask
any question, you know, anything
exactly
you would like to, and she will answer any question.
I'm gonna do another close-up so you can see the eyes again, and you can associate with the eyeshadows that I've showed you. Eyeliner, I think if you have problems with eyeliner, I have different eyeliners that I really like, but when I'm doing on customers, I think the Kiko precision eyeliner, it's definitely my favorite eyeliner. It's very easy. Like, if there is any makeup artist that is watching this video and sometimes you struggle to do eyeliner on people, I know that this is not a gel eyeliner, so probably you're thinking it doesn't respect the hygiene procedures that we should have, but reality is you do the eyeliner very quickly with this in any eye type, any. So that's why I like it and I keep using. You can always spray with, how do you say, the surgical spirit if you have issues with the hygiene. Okay, so moving on to the lips, I've used the Giorgio Armani Lip Maestro, and this is the color 405. I'm going to show you closer. So it's a beautiful red lipstick. It's a velvet matte, and I've actually, on this makeup, I've outlined the lips. So
that's why I love it. I feel like this big lip.
I know that she liked it, because she told me before, I want my lips bigger. I was like, okay, let's do this. So that's why I've used this lipstick. I think this lipstick, it's amazing to create that illusion. And this is the look I've created, so...
Okay, I will change now and I will show you the outfit I'm wearing. This is the second one, smarter, it's slightly chic. Hi guys, so like we said, this is the second look. This is the makeup that Michele, she's done, and it's amazing. I mean, the eyes just match so well for the dress. And the lips, well, is my favorite bit. So done the makeup, and I decided to put this outfit much smarter. You can wear it to go to a wedding, to an evening for dinner. It's very elegant and chic, really. So the dress has got sleeves, open sleeves on the shoulder, and it's a micro coarse dress. It's silk, and I put a wide leather belt because I think it makes it, puts it all together. If it would be quite wide, and I don't like it being petite. So, and then I paired it with the shoes, with the Zara shoes, yellow mustard, really, Zara shoes. And to finish the look, I'm going to put this Rocco Barocco clutch bag. I love it, and if you can see, it brings all the color together. And honestly, I bought this last year in Italy, and no idea I would go for this, but you know, and I thought, right, I think it's a good match. So that is the last look. So I'm just going to turn. So let me know if you like it. Comment down below.